How to block someone on the Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can block someone on the Snapchat. So guys, it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So open the Snapchat app and then tap right here on the chat. Then you will have to search for the chats that you wanted to block. So you have to open the chat. Guys, make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, after that you will have to tap right here on that person's profile, and after that you will have to tap right here on the three dots, and then you will have to tap right here on the manage friendship, and then you can see the block option. So you will have to tap right here on the block and then hit the block button to block that person. So this is how you can easily block someone on your Snapchat. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.